Hey everybody, welcome back to another Your Tech Report video, and yeah, why are we still talking about the Astro A50 Wireless Headphones? Now before we get started, if you're not already a subscriber, please feel free to subscribe to our channel. We do a lot of fun videos here, hands-on reviews, unboxings, tips and tricks, video games, smartphones. We do a lot of stuff, and I think if you do subscribe, you're going to like what you see. Of course, as always, feel free to like this video and leave a comment below if there's something in particular you want us to go hands-on with. Oh, and at the end of this video, if you do subscribe, I think you're going to be really happy that you did. Was that enough of a tease? Okay, so let's get going. So why are we still talking about the Astro A50 wireless headphones? Well, there are three main reasons, and the number one reason is because they're still great. They came out a while ago, but they are still my go-to wireless headset. As a matter of fact, I have a brand new A50 right here. They're still my go-to headset for online gaming. Great build quality. We've done a bunch of videos. In fact, I'll put a little link below. You can see the video we did when we talked about how much and why we love the Astro A50 wireless headphones for gaming. The build quality, the sound quality. We have a lot of videos you can look at which will give you more in-depth detail about exactly what Astro headphones are all about, and in particular, what the A50 is all about. The second reason is because we tend to show a lot of love to the Xbox, even though I have all major gaming platforms, PC, Xbox, PS4, Switch, you name it, I probably game on it, but my everyday go-to console of choice is the Xbox 360, so when we review a lot of headphones, we tend to review the Xbox 360 models. And we thought, you know what, we get a lot of emails from you guys, a lot of comments, that we don't show the PS4 a lot of love. By the way, have you guys played the new God of War on the PS4? I'm playing it on the Pro in 4K. It is absolutely gorgeous. So we figured this is an opportunity to show the PS4 gamers out there a little love by showing you that, look, yes, we do love the PlayStation 4 as well, because here are the A50 wireless headphones for the PS4. Maybe we should just, you know, cut the plastic open and just let you look at what they look like. Now, if you've seen our video on the Astro A50 wireless for Xbox, these are not going to surprise you. A little color scheme difference there, but they're basically the same headphones, same performance. These guys will also work with the PC. The PlayStation 4 model will also work with the PC. So if you're a PlayStation gamer and a PC gamer, these guys are going to work for you. Okay, there we go. Oh, look how pretty they are sitting in. I love the packaging. Again, if you've watched a lot of our videos, you know I'm a sucker for great packaging. I always think that a great product should have a great package so you can get excited about it before you even get to play with it. So I love they have this little hinged box here, and of course you have the headphones, and you're going to have the docking base, the wireless docking base underneath. I'm not going to take everything out of here for you for this video. Again, you can refer to the A50 wireless video we did before for the Xbox model. And the reason I'm not going to take these out and show you brings us to reason number 3 that we're still talking about the Astro A50, and that is because we are giving these away to one of you. Now, as you might have seen, or really more appropriately not seen in the title of the video, we did not announce this as a giveaway in the title of the video. Why didn't we do that? Well, we got a lot of feedback from you guys about announcing giveaways in the title of our videos. And it can work, it could be a positive, it could also be a negative. The positive is people see a giveaway in the title of a video, and we get a ton of new subscribers, and it's great. The problem is, a lot of people that subscribe for that giveaway are really only subscribing for the giveaway and don't really watch the videos and support the channel. So we got a lot of feedback from you guys saying, hey, could you show some love to your hardcore subscribers that have always supported you guys, and maybe do a giveaway without announcing it in the title, so it's just for us. So the people that really support you and watch the videos because they want to watch the videos and not for the giveaway, they can have a chance to win something. So this is one of the several videos and giveaways that we've been doing where we don't announce it in the title. We are giving away this exact pair, brand new Astro A50 wireless headphones to one of you. Before you ask, it is open to everyone worldwide. Doesn't matter where you live on this great planet of ours. Now remember, even though this is open to everyone worldwide, we don't know where the person who is eventually going to win this actually lives. So it happens to be someone that's not in your country. We apologize, but there can only be one winner, and we do it randomly, and so everyone's got a shot. So We don't want to do this. We don't want to make this one too complicated. We kind of want to make this a spontaneous giveaway. I don't even think Mark knows that I'm doing this. So, but he will know as soon as he sees this video. Let's make it, of course, you have to be a subscriber, which is why I said at the beginning of the video, you're probably going to want to subscribe, and you'll be happy that you did, because only subscribers are eligible for this giveaway, so you're going to want to subscribe. You also have to leave a comment below, leave a comment on this video, and the last thing is follow us on Twitter, which is at YourTechReport. We'll leave that, of course, in the description. And the only reason we're adding following us on Twitter as one of the things for the giveaway is it seems to be the easiest way to let people know that they've won and give information privately and share it privately. We hope you enjoyed the video. As I said, feel free to subscribe, especially if you want to win this. Leave us a comment if you want to win this. Drop us a like on the video, and yeah, follow us on Twitter at YourTechReport. Again, to make you eligible, you're going to need to do that, but we announce a lot of stuff on Twitter also, so go there and give us a follow there as well. Okay, there you go. Astro A50s, wonderful. PlayStation 4 to one of you. We hope you enjoyed this. Good luck to everyone. We'll have all the rules in the description, and we will see you on the next one.